Hey NailTubers, what is up Nailification Squad? It's Bougie Nails on a budget. This was such a simple design and I think you'll really like it. So keep watching because Bougie Nails on a Budget has been going through much updating and now has a second reveal at the end. I'm using colors that were spontaneously sent to me by Madam Glam. Oh, and let me forewarn you, I do apologize as there will be portions, like this one for example, when I'm much out of frame, but it's still not hard to follow. I actually forgot to adjust the recording distance and didn't realize how off I was until editing. How are you guys today? I've been working a lot myself and trying much to pace myself with my work hours. Otherwise, I'm so happy to see you, and hello to any newcomers. Thank you so much for being here, and I hope you enjoy yourself and subscribe to my channel. My name is Tommy and I'm a licensed nail tech. I enjoy doing a variety of nail content like this Bougie Nails on a Budget series where I create lovely press-on nails and recently started alternating using regular polish as well as gel polish as you see today. I love doing acrylic and polygel nails and best of all product reviews, which as a matter of fact, I currently have an Amazon nail haul series in which subscribers and viewers are also able to try out the same product. Check out the playlist I started. I know you'll like it. So this light blue is Pure Cloud by Madam Glam, and this nail is the one I decided to marble. I was a little distracted at the moment and in looking back at it thinking, why didn't I just take this one off the stand? It would have been so much easier. But what I'm doing is just creating some lines of color, then I'll drag the polish, which was what I was actually going for, drag art. But it ended up looking more like marble. So I just went with that because it turned out very pretty. Oh, and by the way, I cured each layer of color for 30 seconds in my 75-watt lamp. Actually, these are colors I would never put together for myself, that is. But I really think this combination turned out so nice. Come to think of it, what's your favorite color? I decided to add more of this electric blue to make it a little more dramatic, and I'm so happy it ended up doing just that. To me, it seems like a combination drag marble effect, but I like it. And if you do as well, remember to hit the like button. The coverage of this Madam Glam polish is really good, but especially this being a pastel, 2 coats should always be done. I'm just way over here. Kind of puts me in the mind of, you know, when you play video games and it twists and it turns and the player twists and turns to keep the visual straight. Kind of makes you feel like doing that, right? I decided on a glossy top coat. But you know what? I was also wondering if this might look good in matte. What do you think? I was in such a chill mode while doing this set today. These stones are from my local beauty supply, and I selected colors from the wheel that were closest match to the polishes. And by special request, here is footage of me doing the toes. This request was made by DG in the last Bougie Nails on a Budget when I first debuted Miko's Foot. And if you haven't seen that, there'll be a link above. And since I didn't happen to capture when I did the design on the toenail, you'll at least be able to see me do a little bit of touch up around the cuticle area to lighten up that polish. Also, it wasn't until editing, because more often than not, I'm usually recording in the evenings or late at night. What I was trying to do was create 2 toenails for the big toe, or at least all of them. I was trying to create multiple nails out of one Empress nail, because you guys know how long those nails are. So here, while I was editing, I noticed that it either wasn't a good fit as it was coming to the edge of the nail, or I possibly didn't see that I didn't polish it all the way, but the design still came out very cute. I'm so happy with these. I hope you enjoyed today's DIY press-on bougie nails on a budget. And if you did consider subscribing to my channel, don't forget to click the notification bell. That way you don't miss any uploads, because I have more coming this week, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Much love.